Right. See here, this is cos A into cos 2A into cos 4A into 1 so on 2 cos of 2 power n minus 1 into A is equal to, this is pi by, this is 1 by 2 power, wherever capital A can be written as here pi by 2 power n plus 1. This is minus 1 by 2 power n if A equal to pi by 2 power n minus 1. If the angle capital A can be written as pi by 2 power n plus 1, then this value is given by directly 1 by 2 power n. If the angle A equal to pi by 2 power n minus 1, if you can write the angle A as this one, the formula is given by minus 1 by 2 power n. Okay. If you cannot write the angle like this, then what is the formula? This is sin of 2 power n A by 2 power n into sin. So these are the three formulas that I have here. The expression cos A into cos 2A into cos 4A into cos of 2 power n minus 1, 2 power n minus 1 into A equal to 1 by 2 power n if A equal to pi by 2 power n plus 1. If the starting angle, initial angle can be written as pi by 2 power n plus 1, then the value of this expression is directly, the formula is given by 1 by 2 power n. If the angle capital A can be written as pi by 2 power n minus 1, and the value is given by minus 1 by 2 power n. Otherwise, if you write the formula sin of 2 power n into A by 2 power n into sin A, we can do this. We have already proved this in IP also. Okay, right. Remember, the expression must be in the form of like this.
I'm here.
Right. We will do some problems on the topic trigonometric ratios and identities today. Let us write the first problem here. First one is very simple problem. Root 3 cosecant 20 degrees minus secant 20 degrees. Root 3 cosecant 20 degrees minus secant 20 degrees. This is the value of. Actually, we don't know the value of secant 20 degrees and cosecant 20 degrees directly. So how can you find this? This is reciprocal of cosecant theta is sin theta. So cosecant 20 is written as what? 1 by sin 20 minus reciprocal of secant is cos 1 by cos. Take LCM. So this will be root 3 cos 20 degrees minus sin 20 degrees by, this is sin 20 degrees into cos 20 degrees. Multiply the numerator with 2 and divide with 2. So what will happen here? This is 2 into root 3 by 2 cos 20 minus 1 by 2 sin 20 by, this is sin 20 degrees into cos 20 degrees as it is. Now this is 2 into. Now I have converted the numerator as in the form of sin of A minus B. Sin of A minus B. This is sin 60 cos 20 minus cos 60 sin 20. Sin 60 cos 20 minus cos 60 sin 20. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Sin A minus B. A minus B means what? A means 60, B means 20. Sin 40 by, this is 2 sin 20 into cos 20. 40 can be written as what? 2 into 20. Sin of 2 into 20, that is in the form of what? Sin 2A formula. 2 sin A cos. So this is 2 into 2 sin A means what? 20 degrees into cos 20 by sin 20 degrees into cos 20. So the answer is what? 4. Because sin 20 cos 20 gets cancelled. Answer is 2 into 2. This is 4. Next problem. Second problem. A equal to 35 degrees, B equal to 15 degrees, C equal to 40 degrees. Then we have to find the value of tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A. How can you find? A equal to 35 degrees, B equal to 15 degrees, C equal to 40 degrees. Then we have to find the value of tan A into tan B plus tan B into tan C plus tan C into tan B. Let's see. What is the value of A plus B plus C here? 35 plus 15, 50. 50 plus 40 is what? 90. Whenever A plus B plus C equal to 90 degrees, I already told you the value of tan A into tan B plus tan B into tan C plus tan C into tan A. What is the value? 1. So the answer is directly 1. Whenever A plus B plus C equal to 90 degrees, the value of tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A equal to 1. Remember, if A plus B plus C equal to 180, then sigma tan A equal to pi tan A. Here pi is not a degree here, this is pi is a product of the constant terms. If A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees, then sigma tan A means tan A plus tan B plus tan C equal to tan A into tan B into tan C. We can do the results also. See, take the C right side. A plus B equal to what? 180 degrees once. Apply tan on both sides. This is tan of A plus B equal to what? Tan of 180 degrees once. Expand the formula. This is tan A plus tan B by this is 1 minus tan A into tan B equal to this is minus tan C because in second quadrant tan is negative. By cross multiplication, how much will get here? Tan A plus tan B plus after simplification you will get this right? Tan A into tan B into tan C. Remember, if A plus B plus C equal 180 degrees, no need to do this procedure. Directly remember this formula. Tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to tan A into tan B into tan C. That means sigma tan A equal to pi tan A. Whenever the sum of the three angles is 180, that means in the triangle ABC also we can say. But if A plus B plus C equal to 90 degrees, do the same procedure. Take the C right side, then you will get A plus B equal to 90 degrees minus C. After applying tan on both sides, again after simplification, you will get this result. Tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A equal to 1. So remember these two formulas. If A plus B plus C equal to 180, tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to tan A tan B tan C. If A plus B plus C equal to 90 degrees, then tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A is equal to 1. So what is the answer? Directly you can see, since the sum of all the three angles is 90 degrees, so direct answer is 1. Next. Problem number 3 already we have done in IB. You can do that problem. Problem number 4, 5 also very simple problem because see, for fifth problem, 5 tan theta equal to 4. We have to find the value of 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta by sin theta plus 2 cos theta. What is the value of tan theta there? 4 by 5. By right angle triangle, we can find the values of sin theta and cos theta, or else take cos theta common in the numerator and denominator, directly you will get the answer. That is problem number 5. You can do that. 6th also you can do that. Now we will do 7th problem. What is 7th problem? Tan 80 degrees minus tan 10 degrees by this is tan 70 degrees. Options are given 0, 1, 2, 3. First option 0, second option 1, third option 2, fourth option 3. How can we find? So we can find the solution in 3-4 methods. What is one method? This is directly cot 10 minus tan 10 by tan 70. Because how can we write 80 degrees? 90 minus 10. Tan 90 minus 10 cot 10 because that is the first quadrant, tan is first. Okay? Right. Denominator also we can change. Otherwise, we can denominator as well. See, this is the numerator is in the form of cot A minus tan A. Already we know what is cot A minus tan A. This is how much? 2 cot A. In the previous class, we have discussed about the formulas. 2 formulas are there. Cot A A minus tan A to cot A. Cot A plus tan A to cosecant A. So numerator is clearly in the form of both angles are same. This is it, this is also it. Cot A minus tan. So what is the answer here? What is the value? This is 2 cos 2A. 2A means A means 10. 2A means 2 into 10, 20 degrees. By tan 70 can be written as what? This is direct cot 20 because 70 can be written as 90 degrees minus 20 degrees. Tan 90 minus theta. Cot theta. That means cot. Cot 20 gets cancelled. Final answer is what? 2. This is problem number 7. Problem number 8. Sin A plus sin B is equal to root 3 into cos B minus cos. Apply transformations. Note down the hint. Apply transformations. You will get the answer directly. Okay? That is your homework. Left hand side is sin C plus sin D. You can apply the formula. Right hand side is cos C minus cos D. Problem number 9 also we can find the answer very easily. See sin 120 we know how to find. Cos 150, cos 240 and sin 330 also we can find. Simple. Now 11th problem. 10th problem is here. Cosecant 15 degrees plus secant 15 degrees. We know the values of sin 15 degrees, cos 15 degrees, tan 15 degrees. Cosecant 15 means reciprocal of sin 1 by sin 15. Secant 15 means 1 by cos 15. So you can simplify that. 11th problem. What is 11th problem then? 5 cos x plus 12 cos y equal to 30. Then we have to find the value of maximum of 5 sin x plus 12 sin equal. So options are given. First option 12. Second option is root 120. This is root 20, 30. If 5 cos x plus 12 cos y is equal to 13, then we have to find the maximum value of 5 sin x plus 12 sin y. Okay? Right. Can you guess the procedure? First expression is given in terms of only cosine, cos x and cos y. Second expression, what we have to find the maximum value in the terms of only sin x and sin y. Let us take the first one. This one. For example, what is given? 5 cos x plus 12 cos y equal to 30. Take the second one. We will find the maximum value later. First of all, I am assuming the value of 5 sin x plus 12 sin y equal to some k. Okay? Let us assume this value. We don't know this value. Let us take 5 sin x plus 12 sin y is equal to k. That means since we have to find the maximum value of this thing, that means what? We have to find maximum value of k. Right? Squaring and adding. Simply squaring and adding. See, directly I am adding here. Left hand side a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is 13 square 169. This is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now add the corresponding terms. I am going to add the corresponding terms. Here a square means 25 cos square x. Here a square means 25 sin square x. If you take 25 common, you will get cos square x plus sin square x, that is obviously 1. So directly I am adding 25 into 1, 25. Plus b square terms I am adding in both the terms. 144 cos square y plus 144 sin square y. Take 144 common, you will get what? Cos square y plus sin square y is equal to 1. So 144 into 1, 144. Plus 2ab terms. What is 2ab for the first expression? 2 into 5 cos x into 12 cos y. How much you will get here? 2 into 5, 10 into 12, 120 into cos x cos y. This is 2ab term in first one. 2ab term here. 2 into 5 into 12. Again what we get now? 120 into. This is sin x into sin y. Here 13 square plus k square. That means what? 169 plus k square. What is 25 plus 144? 169. So this is 169 plus take 120 common here. Now this is in the form of cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. After taking 120 common, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B means cos of A minus B. This is equal to 169 plus yes. 169 gets cancelled. So how much will it be? So this is k equal to plus or minus root 120 into cos of x minus 1. Is it right or not? Okay. Now we have to find what? Maximum value of this expression. That means maximum value of k. Maximum value of k. Okay. What is the maximum and minimum values of cos theta? So this is minus 1 less than or equal to cos theta. That means cos of x minus 1. Don't bother about the angle. Whatever the angle inside cosine and sine, don't bother. The minimum value of cos theta is always minus 1. Maximum value is 1. Okay. So if you want to get the maximum value of k, this must be maximum because 120 is always fixed constant. So what is the maximum value of cos of x minus 1 there? 1. So what is maximum value? So actually we are getting here plus or minus. So since you have to find the max value, take plus. So what is the final answer? 120 because this is 1. Root of 120 into 1. Answer is what? Root 120. Next. This is 11th problem. 12th you can do that. 13th also you can do. We know the values of tan 15 degrees. Tan 15 degrees 2 minus root 3. Cosecant is 75 degrees. It is reciprocal of sine. 1 by sine 75 degrees. 2 root 2 by root 3 plus 1. 4 sine 18 degrees. Sine 18 degrees we know. Root 5 minus 1 by 4. And check the options. So we have 14th also similar way. 15th and 16th also you can do. 17. A plus B is equal to C. Take any angles in place of A and B so that you will get the value of C. A equal to 30, B equal to 30. Then what is 30 plus 30? 60. So C equal to 60. So take the angles not over there. A equal to 30, B equal to 30, C equal to 60, and you will get the answer. So 18, 19, 20, you will get the answers here. Next one, 23. Next, 23rd problem. What is 23rd problem given here? This is cos 2 pi by 15 into cos 4 pi by 15 into cos 8 pi by 15 into cos 14 pi by 15. Options are given 1 by 16, 1 by 8, 1 by 12 and 1 by 4. So how can you simplify this one? So this is looking like cos A into cos 2A into cos 4A into and so on, cos of 2 power n minus A, 2 power n into 2 power n minus 1 into A. We already have 3 formulas for that. That is 1 by 2 power n minus 1 by 2 power n and sin of 2 power n into A by 2 power n into sin A. Let us see what. If you take this is A must be in the form of, remember, A must be in the form of pi by 2 power n plus 1 or pi by 2 power n minus 1. But here see, starting angle is 2 pi by 15. So don't take 2 pi by 15 as A. Understood now? Because 2 is there. We should have the numerator must be pi. Remember that. So that's why I am not taking this is A. This is also we cannot take A. This is also we cannot take A. What about this one? So I am going to convert 14 pi by 15 because each and every number is 2 power some number into A. This is 2 power 1 into pi, 2 square into pi, 2 cube into pi. But you cannot write 14 as 2 power something. Understood? You cannot write the number 14 as 2 power something. That's why I am going to change this. Okay, right. What is cos 14 pi by 15? Like see here, this is cos. This can be written as 14 pi by 15 means pi minus pi by 15. Is it right or not? Take LCM, you will get this one. So apply cos for this one. In place of 14 pi by 15, pi minus pi by 15. Cos 180 minus theta. It is in second quadrant. Cos is negative. So you will get minus cos theta. So what is this value? Cos positive pi by 15 is equal to minus cos pi by 15. Now substitute here. Now I am writing this value in the first step, that means this one. Minus cos pi by 15 into this one. Cos 2 pi by 15 into cos 4 pi by 15 into cos 8 pi by 15. So this is already we have written here. Understood now? Right. Now this is the value we have to find. Okay. Now let us take the first angle is A. So what is A? A equal to pi by 15. Then written as this is pi by 2 power 4 minus 1. Is it correct or not? Moreover, this can written as what? This is minus cos pi by 15. This is cos 2 pi by 15. This is cos 2 square pi by 15. And this is obviously what? 2 power 3 pi by 15. Now take n equal to what? 4. Cos A. Don't multiply minus. Cos A. Cos 2A. Cos 2 and so on. Cos of 2 power n minus 1 into A. 2 power n minus 1. 4 minus 1. 3 into pi by 15. Is it right or not? So this is the. So the angle A given as pi by 15, which given as pi by 2 power 4 minus 1. That means what is this value? What is the formula? Already minus is there, keep the minus as it is. Now this is in the form of what formula? First angle capital A given as pi by 2 power n minus 1. N means 4. That's fine. What is the formula? Minus 1 by 2. If the first angle capital A given as pi by 2 power n minus 1, the formula is given by directly minus 1 by 2 power. So this is minus 1 minus plus 1 by 2 power n means what? N means what? 4. So what is answer? 1 by 2 power 4 means 1 by 6. So this is the way. Problem number 20. 24. A plus B plus C equal to 270 degrees given. Take all the three angles there. Note down the hint. A equal to B equal to C equal to 90. Verify the problem. 25. 25 we can do that. Similarly 26, 27, 28 all the problems we can do that. 30. What is problem number 30 given? If cosecant theta equal to P plus Q by P minus Q, then we have to find the value cot of pi by 4 plus theta. Okay, how can you do this one? Cosecant theta equal to P plus Q by P minus Q. Then we have to find the value of cot of pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Right? Right. Take the reciprocal of that one. If cosecant theta equal to this one given, what is sin theta? It's reciprocal. Okay? Apply component dividend. This is obviously sin theta. So how much will get here? This is sin theta plus 1 by sin theta minus 1 is equal to what? P minus Q plus P plus Q by P minus Q, take the minus inside, minus P minus Q. So this is again what? Sin theta plus 1 by sin theta minus 1 is equal to Q gets cancelled. This is 2P by what? Here P gets cancelled, minus Q minus Q. Minus 2. Take minus now in the denominator, minus 1 gets cancelled. So this is you will get like this. 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta equal to 2 gets cancelled, minus gets cancelled. This is P by Q. Understood? What we have to get? Cot of pi by 4 plus theta by 2. How can you convert this? Right? Cot of pi by 4 plus theta by 2. How can you write 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta? See, this is again 1 plus. I am going to convert sin as in the terms of cos. This is cos of pi by 2 minus 2 by. So this is 1 minus cos of pi by 2 minus 2 equal to what? P by Q. Now this is purely in the form of 1 plus cos A. For multiple submultiple angles, we know that 1 plus cos A equal to 2 cos square A by 2, and this is 1 minus cos A equal to 2 sin square A by 2. We can do this because we know cos 2A equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. cos a 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1. From that you can get this. Similarly 1 minus 1. Apply the formula. 2 cos square. Theta means pi by 2 minus theta. Okay? Right. 1 plus cos a. So how much you get here? 1 plus 2 cos square. A by 2 means pi by 2 minus theta. Split this. Pi by 4 minus theta by. This is how much you get here? 2 sin square. Again watch. Pi by 4 minus theta. Okay. Actually problem is given cot of pi by 4 plus theta by 2. You are getting what here? 2 gets cancelled. So now cos square by sin square is what? What is cos square by sin square? Cos square. So this is cot square pi by 4 minus theta is equal to p by 2. So what is cot of pi by 4 minus theta by 2? Is it right or not? Okay. Right. So this is we got here. But what we have to find? Cot of pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Right? So how can we convert this? Cot theta can be written as what? Right. This is written as, see here, tan of pi by 2 minus of pi by 4 minus theta is equal to root of p by 2. Let us assume this is theta. Cot theta can be written as tan 90 minus theta. Understood? Take LCM, take the multiplication here. This is tan 90 minus 45. 45. Pi by 4. Minus into minus plus. Equal to how much? Root of p by 2. Okay. This is tan of pi by 4 plus theta by 2. But since we have to find cot, take the reciprocal. Now you will get the answer. So cot of pi by 4 plus theta by 2 is equal to how much? Root of 2 by. This is the final answer. Okay. Otherwise, we can take any value, any angle in place of theta and verify the problem. Then you will get the answer. This is problem number 31. Cos square a minus sin square b. Cos a plus b into cos a minus b. Cyclic quadrant. Opposite angles are what? Supplementary. Note on the hint. 32. A plus c is equal to 180. B plus d equal to 180. Already we have done this problem in IT. Next 35, 36, 37. We do all the problems there. Problem number 43. Maximum value is given. We have to find maximum of what is given? 1 plus 8 sin square x square into cos square x. We have to find the maximum value of this thing. Understood? Options are given minus 8, minus 1, 3, and 9. How can we find the maximum of this thing? Let us check expression question. This is 1 plus 8 into sin square x square into cos square x square. Okay? Right. This is 1 plus 8 into